Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to put back the mirror on Lexus NX300. Okay, now the mirror is not really hard. It's easy to put back. This is not that much difficult. Only two things what you need to have a look. Click back, and very important, this electric cable need come behind this Windows frame. Very important, behind. And then just need put back the 3 10mm nuts. And this is the most difficult things because very easy to drop off and you will never find again. So just put back these 3 10mm nuts, nice, slow and gently, and you have a less headache. And tight when all 3 is on. Very important, not tight too much because you just broke the inner plastic in the mirror. That's it. That's it. Okay, and then we are putting back this plastic. What is this? Hold the cable there. And just plugging back together. Good. Okay, we are done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.